chose to be complicit in their violence.
Shame on you!
Shame on you for what you do!
As long as you are complicit in this violence, as long as you associate with Omni Hotels, you are going to be a target of this campaign.
These are the people you do business with. Their blood is on your hands!
The blood is on your hands!
You can thank Rachel Harrison for our visit.
I'm the superhero. Please leave the building.
We will make you understand.